Hi Ushans, thank you for clicking on this video. Today, the Forde Library will be giving you some quick tips in avoiding plagiarism, a problem or a concern that faces everyone in the world of academia. Plagiarism is taken from a Latin word that means kidnapping. Did you know that? Serious stuff, right? The Encyclopedia of Journalism, Volume 3, defines plagiarism as a form of stealing, taking facts or information from one person to another without that person's consent. USC, like many universities, require all of their students to undertake research from various topics, and you have to incorporate these resources into your paper to give your paper viability, credibility, and relevance. As such, learning how to properly cite external information is key. It is integral to your academic life. What we, the Forde Library, want to impart to you today is two broad groups or two broad tips to help you avoid plagiarism. The first is knowing how to cite, and the second is knowing what to cite. As it relates to the first, academia has different citation styles that cater to the various disciplines. These styles inform how one formats the paper in terms of headers, spacing, footers, labeling of graphics, referencing, and so on. At USC, the dominant citation style used is APA, but we also use MLA, Chicago, and others. Don't worry, Ushans. All of this will be covered in another video, so stay tuned for that. Also, in knowing how to cite, we have to take note of referencing in terms of in-text and references. As it relates to in-text citation, we have two main types: information prominent and author prominent. As it relates to information prominent, this is where the researcher wants to highlight or shine a spotlight on a particular theme, idea, or topic. The author comes after. So my example on your screen you are seeing here, the Forde Library offers many electronic resources for its students. That idea of offering resources is prominent, and then the corporate author USC comes after. On the other hand, if we consider author prominent in-text citation, meaning inside our paper, we will put the author first, and this is done if the author is an expert, if his or her opinion has weighting in a certain field or discipline. So for my example here, USC, the corporate author would come first, and then the content or the information will come afterwards. So Ushans, I hope you were listening, because we are going into our second broad tip, knowing what to cite. According to a 2018 EBSCO circular on the items that should be cited in one's academic paper or research paper, the following categories are given: any part of a text you directly quote in your paper, any part of a text you paraphrase, you summarize, any person's original ideas, opinions, any facts, stats, graphs that are not common knowledge. In terms of referencing, according to your style, all the works that you would have consulted or cited throughout your paper should also be reflected in their full format on a reference page if you are using the APA citation style, or if you're using the MLA to which the library subscribes, you will be using the Works Cited page. On your graphic, you would be seeing just an idea of some of the requirements needed for an electronic resource. But bear in mind, for each resource, meaning each book, article, newspaper, the requirements may vary. So Ushans, we've come to the end of this very short tutorial on avoiding plagiarism. In it, you learned about the definition, importance, and two main tips to avoid plagiarism. If you have any questions or comments on this video, Visit our website at library.usc.edu.tt and chat with us via our Ask a Librarian feature or chat with us via our Facebook page. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video. Bye, Ushans!